In this tutorial, I'm just going to clear all the silly negative errors so that you master the negative sign in all your math calculations, right? So I'll start by explaining a simple concept, right? Let's say you're at this point 0, and we say 0 plus 2. It means we're going to move 2 steps towards the positive, right? Therefore, we're going to move 1, 2. We end at 2. Therefore, we know that 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. If we say 2 plus 3, right? It means we're going to move 3 steps towards the positive, which means we're in this position 2, right? And we say 2 plus 3, right? We're going to move 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. We end at 5. And therefore, we know that 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, right? Then, I don't know why students get confused when. So before we move on to question B, do me a favor and subscribe, and I'll always be here to help you improve your mathematics. So therefore, I've listed some examples to help students master the negative sign, right? So therefore, let's start at 2 again. If we say 2 minus 5, minus this is the negative direction. Therefore, if we say 2 minus 5, we are going to move 5 steps towards the negative direction. So 2 minus 5, we are going to end at 1, where 2 minus 5, right? We move 5 steps towards the negative. Therefore, 2 minus 5 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We end at negative 3, right? We end at negative 3 at this point. Therefore, we know that 2 minus 5 is equal to negative 3. As simple as that. So let's start with these examples I've written to help you understand better negative sign. Okay, let's start with question 1. Okay, question 1 is saying that negative 4, which means we're starting at position 4. Negative 4 plus 4. So plus means what? Plus means we are moving towards what? The positive direction. So we're at negative 4 plus 4. Therefore, we're going to move 4 steps towards the positive. If we move 4 steps, negative 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, we end it where? 0. Therefore, negative 4 plus 4, the solution is going to be 0. Right? As simple as that. Therefore, let's say we are at this position now. Number 2, negative 8 plus 3. We are at negative 8, this position, negative 8 plus what? Plus 3. Plus means we are moving this direction. How many steps? 3 steps. Therefore, we say negative 8 plus 3. We are moving 3 steps towards the positive sign. Therefore, negative 8, 1, 2, 3. Where are we? We end at negative 5. Therefore, we know that negative 8 plus 3 is equal to negative 5. As simple as that. Just using the number line to master the game. Okay, let's put a negative minus a negative now. Let's see whether you can do it. So number 3, negative 2, negative 3. Therefore, we are at position negative 2. Position negative 2 is this position, right? That's where we're starting. Position negative 2. So it's negative 2, negative 3. So we are moving towards the negative. How many steps? 3 steps, right? So negative 2, 3 steps towards the negative 3, right? So negative 2, 1, 2, 3. We end at what? Negative 5. Therefore, we know that negative 2, negative 3, we end at negative 5. As simple as that. Okay, let's start at the positive side now. So at question 4, we are starting at the positive part of the number line. So the positive part of the number line is 2 minus 7, right? So we are at position 2. We are moving 7 steps towards the negative side, right? So negative 2, negative 7, we are at this position and we move 7 steps towards the negative sign. Why? Because the question is saying that 2 minus 7. Minus, that is the minus direction. How many steps? 7 steps. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So where are we? We are at negative 5. Therefore, we know that 2 minus 7 is equal to what? Is equal to negative 5. Just like that, then you're good at mathematics. Just like that, you're good at mathematics. You're done.